In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ROAS on Google Looker Studio. ROAS stands for Return on Ad Spend, and it helps you understand how much revenue you're generating for every unit of currency you spend on advertising. It's a simple ratio, but having it calculated directly in your report makes analysis much easier. Before we begin, make sure your data source includes two key fields: the revenue generated by the ad campaign and the cost of that same campaign. These field names may vary depending on how your data is labeled, but you'll need one that represents revenue and one that represents cost. It's also helpful if both are numeric fields, so the calculation works without errors. Open your report and select the table where you want ROAS to appear. With the table selected, look to the right-hand side and find the Properties pane. Inside that pane, locate the Metrics section. This is where you control which numbers are displayed and where you'll add your calculation. Click Add Calculated Field. This opens a formula editor where we'll define the ROAS metric. At the top, set the display name to ROAS so it's easy to recognize in your table. Next, set the data type to number. Choosing number ensures the result is treated as a numeric value and can be used in sorting, filtering, and additional calculations without formatting issues. Now, in the formula box, build your calculation. Start by entering the field for revenue from the ad campaign, then type a / to indicate division, and follow it with the field for the cost of the ad campaign. The formula should look like revenue divided by cost, but using your exact field names. If your field names differ, simply substitute them accordingly. When you're confident the fields are correct, apply the calculation. Looker Studio will validate the formula and add ROAS to your table's metrics. You should now see a ROAS value for each row or aggregation level in your table, depending on how your dimensions are set. A quick tip: ROAS is typically presented as a ratio, like 3.5, which means you earned 3.5 units of revenue for every 1 unit spent. If you later prefer to show it as a percentage, you can change the display format, but the calculation stays the same. Also, be mindful of any rows where cost might be 0, as division by 0 will return an error or infinity. That's it. You've created a clear, reusable ROAS metric in Google Looker Studio and added it to your report for ongoing performance tracking.